Hello and welcome to watching this video. In this video I want to show you how you can use this Daemons tab in RealFlow. It's very easy. Okay, first in a standard particles create circle. In previous video I was learning you how you can use these particles. Okay, first create circle, and then in Daemons first is volume. First 5 dimensions, as you can see, first is age, volume, speed. This means killed. These 6 dimensions is used for killed particles. Okay, first is volume. If you click that, and now change position to here, for example, and change it to here. Very good. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, it killed this particle from here. And for example, if you change rotation for this circle and now click reset, then click yes, and again click simulate, as you can see it killed this particle from here. It's very useful, this volume, for kill that particle. You can change size of this, and you can change rotation and anything like standard particles. Okay, delete this volume and reset, yes. And next dimension is age. Now if you add this age and now click simulate, as you can see each particles just life is 1 frame. As you can see, next 1 frame it's killed, and next 1 frame again create. If you want change age for these particles, you should click this age, and in life change it, for example, to change it to 10. Now click reset and then click simulate. As you can see, age for particles is 10 frame, and after that is killed. Very good. Delete that. Next is speed. First reset that, and for example create a plane and then click simulate. As you can see, we don't have any effect in your particles, but if you click speed, for example change max speed to 15 and change minimum speed to 1.5 and then click OK. Now click reset, yes, and simulate. Now as you can see, each particle change that speed, it killed by speed. As you can see, for example, minimum 1.5 and maximum is 15. And here, as you can see, when speed is changed, this particle is killed. Very good. Delete speed, and next is collision. Reset this. For example, change rotation of this circle and change position to here. Now create another object, for example this sphere, and change it to here. Very good. Click collision and then in select object, click here, and now you should click your object that you want, use that for killed particle. For example, I select this sphere and then click OK. Very good. Now if you click simulate, change position, as you can see, when particle near this object, they killed. And if you change position of this to, for example, here, and reset, and again select simulate, as you can see here, particle is killed by this sphere collision. Very good. Stop simulate, and now delete collision and reset. Okay, next is sphere. If you click that and delete this sphere and change position from this to here. Okay, very good. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, when particle near to this sphere, they're killed. Simulate, as you can see, it's like this. You can select sphere and change radius for this sphere. For example, if you change it here and click simulate, now as you can see, the particle is killed. Okay, click stop and delete it, reset, yes. Okay, next is gravity. Gravity is very useful option in RealFlow. For example, if you click this circle and then change rotation, okay, now if you simulate, as you can see, it's not attractor to bottom, it just move it from away. Okay, but if you click gravity, and when you click gravity, you can change this gravity anywhere. It's no matter where is position for this gravity. Now click reset and then click simulate. As you can see, attractor like this. It's like gravity earth. And when you click gravity, here in gravity, with strain you can change gravity for this particle. Default is 9.8. This is used for earth, but if you reduce that to here, for example, and click simulate, as you can see, they're flying up. And for example, if you change it to 50 and click simulate, as you can see, it's very attractive particle. Good, click simulate, stop and reset that. Delete this gravity. If you add this attractor, if you change attractor, for example, from here, change position from here and click simulate, as you can see, this particle attractor to here. As you can see, it will be like this. It's very good. Turn off that. And for example, if you change it from here to here, now click reset and click simulate. As you can see, it's attract from here. Now if you click attractor here, you can change attractor. For example, if you change it to 50 and simulate that, as you can see, its attractor is very high. And if you reduce that, for example negative, and change negative that and reset, simulate that, as you can see, it's far from this attractor. Okay, click stop and delete attractor. Now reset. Next is DSP line. Here we have two options. First is DSP line and next is create text DSP line. I will create another video for teaching these two options, but for introduction, these two DSP line, if you click DSP line and now change view, for example to front, click DSP line, and now when you click this option you can edit this spline. Okay, now you can select that and change position, for example to here, change it, click it and change that to here, click and change, click that and change it. Okay, now when you in view click perspective, as you can see it changed like this, and with this you can change this point to here and to here, here and here. Okay, now if you add circle to here and change rotation, for example to here, and change it from this, and now if you click simulate, as you can see it changed this particle from this line. But if you want change it better, you should go to DSP line and in radial strength increase that, for example to 26, reset, click simulate. As you can see it's move like this spline. We have many options, and now if you increase radial strain and click simulate, as you can see it's move from this spline. Very good. I will teach everything about this spline because I should learn this ESP line and create text ESP line in a standard particle with DSP line and create text DSP line in Daemons with this tab spline. I will create another video and teach these three tabs about the spline. Okay, delete this DSP line. Next is wind. If you click wind and then click reset, And for example, from here, if we click simulate, as you can see, it changed this particle from bottom, because this arrow is from bottom. If you want change this wind, you should change position. For example, change it to here. After that, click this rotation and change it to here. Now click reset and simulate again. As you can see, change particle like this and with this in direction of wind. Okay, delete that wind. Next is vortex. Click reset and delete this circle. Again, create circle and change position, for example to here. And in geometry, create plan. After that, in Daemons, click vortex. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, your particle, its radial change. If you click vortex and increase root strain, for example, change it to 10, reset and simulate, as you can see, change like vortex. You can select your circle and change rotation to here, and after that change position to here, reset and simulate. Now as you can see, exact vortex. Okay, as you can see it like this. Okay, delete this vortex, and next is layer vortex. If you click that and delete this circle, now create a cube, top open. After that, create a fill object and click this fill object, and in object select this cube top. Now click reset. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, your particle is rotate like this. You can use this option for vortex in sea or in ocean. Very good. Delete this option and this. In Daemons, next is Limbo. Limbo is like this attractor from top and bottom. If you create this circle particle and then click simulate, as you can see, it's attractor from top and bottom. If you click this Limbo here, you can change strain 1 and strain 2. For example, if you increase strain 1 and create yes and simulate, as you can see, this strain is very much. Okay, you can here change strain 2 or change strain 1 and use that. Okay, next delete this Limbo. Next is tractor. If you click tractor, first reset And now change position of the circle and change rotation like this, and again change position to here. Very good. Now when you click simulate, as you can see, it change with this 4 point. For example, if you click this tracer here with F1, if you increase that and now click reset and then click simulate, as you can see, it changed with this point. And if you click stop and click it and for example F2, reduce that to here, this is F2. Now click reset and again simulate. Now as you can see, this particle change like this. Okay, click stop and delete this tracer. Next is Coriolis. If you click that and reset this and delete this circle and again create circle, change position to here. Very good. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, it's rotate like this and it change and grew up to up. Very good. Again, watch that. It's like this. With this option you can rotate your particles, and when you click that you can change S-train, same another Daemons. Okay, and reset and delete this Daemon. Okay, next is ellipsoid force. If you click that and when you click simulate, as you can see here we don't have any change, but if you click this ellipsoid force and reset here and then increase max gain, for example increase that to 13 and then click simulate, as you can see it deformed this particle like this shape. Very good. Now delete this deform and reset. Next is drag force. If you click drag force and then increase this drag S-train, for example change it to 10. Good. Now if you click simulate, as you can see deform this particle like tattoo. Very good. Delete this and reset. Next is surface tension. If you click that and then increase this S-train, for example change it to 20 20 is good. Now click simulate. As you can see, these particles link together. And if you change it to 50 and reset and then simulate, as you can see, this particle are connected together. Very good. Now delete this surface and reset. Next is noise field. If you simulate that, as you can see, it noise your particles, and it's very useful in your project. You can use this noise for create imaging particle. And again, if you watch that, as you can see, it's like this. Very good. Delete this and reset. Next is heater and texture. Heater you should use just with gas. For example, here you should select this gas and you use this heater. I will teach you how you can create fire with RealFlow. And with this option, texture, you can change texture, deform from your particle, and I will teach you this bitmap and this texture and how you can work with these two options. Okay, next is magic. If you click magic, and in object you should select that object you want magic your particles. For example, click plane and OK. Now if you click simulate, as you can see, this particle is changed and deformed like this. It's really magic your particle. And here you can change approach strength and escape strength. For example, if you change like this and simulate that, you can see that change with this option. Very good. Delete this magic. Okay, now I want to teach you what is color plane. If you click that and simulate, as you can see, when your particles pop your layer, change color like this. If you play that, it's like this. Okay, delete this color plane. For shitter, I should teach you how you can work with shitter in project file. I will create another video tutorial for this shitter and for this ocean. For ocean, first I should teach you what is hybrido and then teach you how you can use this ocean. Okay, in next video I will teach you what is this mesh, and then I will create a project and create a crown with particles and then import that in Cinema 4D, and for adjust color import that liquid to After Effects. Very good. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.